In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Microsoft Edge profile picture. First, let's start by opening Microsoft Edge. You can do this by locating the Edge icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. When you click on it, the browser will launch, displaying your default start page. This is where you usually access your favorite websites, bookmarks, and settings. It's important to ensure that you're working in the right browser, as changes made here will affect your Microsoft Edge profile specifically. Once you have Edge open, you're ready to customize your profile and make it feel more personal. Next, click your profile icon in the top right corner of the browser window. This icon typically shows a silhouette or your currently set profile picture. By clicking on this icon, a drop-down menu will appear, revealing options for managing your profile. This step is crucial because it leads you to the settings where you can change your profile picture. It also helps you verify that you are logged into the correct Microsoft account. Once you click the profile icon, you will see the options you need to proceed. From there, select Manage Profile Settings from the drop-down menu. This action opens up a new window where you can see all the settings related to your profile. Here, you can adjust various options, including changing your profile picture. This is important because it gives you control over how your profile appears to others. Having a personalized profile picture can also enhance your browsing experience, making it feel more tailored to you. After you've selected this option, you'll be one step closer to changing your picture. Now click on Manage Your Microsoft Account, or you can go directly to your Microsoft Account profile page. This option takes you to the main settings for your Microsoft account, where you can manage your personal information. It's essential to navigate here because your profile picture is linked to your Microsoft account. This ensures that your changes will sync across all devices where you use Microsoft Edge. Once you click this option, you may be redirected to a new tab or window depending on your settings. If prompted, sign into your Microsoft account. Enter your email and password to access your account settings. This step is vital for security reasons, ensuring that only you can make changes to your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you may also need to confirm your identity using a code sent to your phone or email. After signing in, you will be taken to your account page where you can make the necessary changes. At this point, click on your current profile picture. This will bring up options for changing your profile image. You might see an edit icon or a camera icon next to your picture. Clicking on this area is essential as it opens the path to uploading a new image. Keep in mind that having a recognizable profile picture can help your friends and colleagues identify you easily. After you click on your picture, you're ready for the next step. Next, select Change Picture or Add a Photo. Depending on the layout, you might see one or both options. If you are changing an existing picture, click Change Picture. If you are adding a new one, choose Add a Photo. This step is significant because it allows you to choose an image that represents you. You can select a photo from your device that you feel comfortable sharing. After making your selection, you will be given the option to save your new picture. After that, upload a new image and save your changes. This process involves selecting a file from your device and confirming that you want to use it as your profile picture. Make sure the image you choose is clear and appropriate for your profile. Once you upload the image, you will see a preview. This is where you can ensure that it looks the way you want it to. After confirming, remember to save your changes to apply the new picture to your profile. Finally, restart Edge or wait a few minutes for the new picture to sync. Restarting the browser helps to immediately reflect the changes you made. However, if you decide to wait, the profile picture will update on its own shortly. Either way, it is reassuring to know that your profile is now personalized. You can enjoy browsing with a new image that represents you.